Welcome to the XPod for VDI video series. My name is Hollis Beal, and I'm the Director of Technical Marketing at XIO. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the different integration points that are available for the ISE storage systems in a VMware environment. The XPod for VMware Horizon View solution consisted of 3 Cisco UCS chassis and 17 blade servers. This yielded 360 CPU cores and 3.3 terabytes of server RAM. There were also 3 ISE 700 series storage arrays in the configuration. And while the Horizon View desktops were contained on a single ISE, the other ISEs were used for supporting functions like staging areas, infrastructure servers, and login VSI launcher VMs. This configuration has been validated for 500, 1000, and 1500 desktops using the Login VSI testing suite. As with any complex environment, manageability is one of the key factors in evaluating any solution. So let's take a look at the various VMware integration points that are available for the ISE storage systems. One of the most common management applications for VMware environments is the vSphere Windows client. With the ISE Management plugin, ISEs can be directly managed from this interface. Valuable information such as capacity usage, firmware versions, serial numbers, and system component health can all be seen with this management extension. Additionally, integrated storage management from the LUN to the data store can be done from this single interface. In this example, we're going to add a data store to the high-performance cluster. We right-click on the cluster name and select to add the new data store. We then complete some basic information about the new data store, such as the data store name, the desired capacity, the ISE the data store will be assigned to if we choose not to have it auto-assigned, the RAID protection of the LUN, and the VMware multipathing policy. Thanks to the VMware API integration, all cluster members are automatically granted access to the ISE volume. LUN numbers can be auto-assigned, or specific LUN numbers can be assigned across all members of the cluster. The ISE management software creates the LUN on the selected ISE and enables all members of the cluster to see the new cluster shared LUN. ISE Manager again leverages the VMware APIs to cause all of the servers to rescan for the new volume and create the data store. If we view the data stores on one of the cluster members, we can see that the test data store has been created. One of the things we do frequently is add and remove cluster members from the configuration. In this example, we have a cluster member without shared storage for the cluster. We can see that we need to add 4 volumes to the new cluster member. We move the new node into the cluster, then we change to the ISE Manager Suite interface. The ISE Manager Suite integrates management of Citrix, VMware, and Hyper-V environments into a single interface. ISE Manager implements advanced automation for performing complex operations, such as assigning cluster shared storage to a new cluster member. This ensures that all presentations are made correctly, multipath policies are set, and best practices are followed. This task can be fraught with errors as LUN masking, multipath policies, and other storage best practices must be configured to ensure optimal operation. With the VMware API integration, configuration mismatches can be identified and corrected with a single click. ISE Manager leverages the common Windows Performance Monitor framework to enable detailed performance monitoring of all ISE systems. Live performance data can easily be viewed from this interface of all ISE system components. The ISE Management plugin for the vSphere web interface also enables basic ISE management from this console. LUN creation, deletion, and presentation can all be managed from this single interface. Managed ISE systems are displayed in a single location, enabling the vAdmin to view ISE system component information, health metrics, and firmware versions. Live performance data of top-level ISE system components can be viewed from this interface as well. ISE systems also integrate with the VMware Virtual Center Operations Manager Suite. With this powerful monitoring framework, vAdmins can view and track ISE performance information across their entire environment. Thank you for your time in watching this video. For more information, please visit our website or email us at fastforever@xio.com. Thank you.